have. What do you open? What do you get? I think I misordered. What's your order number, my dear? What's your order number? Okay, cute. Green and a white line. Go. Continue. Charm charm. Oh wow, gray and blue. Keep coming. Cracker beads. 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6. I think it's the empty bag, right? Empty bag. I will to check. Okay, Angela, 5, 7, 6. Your order for the 20 bag clear bags. I have to show you. Okay, just waiting for a second. We will to show you after. Yes. You get that 20 pink clear bags. Purple. Look this one, cute purple. Very great. Look this color. I love this clear candy. Look at this clear candy. No problem. Enjoy your time here, Angela. Nice. 9 out, yes. Come on. Get more energy for our friend. Come charm, don't be shy. Continue. If you love our beads, you can try now. We only have 2 people waiting in line. Short waiting. Over 59, no need shipping fee. This is a gloss beads here. Gloss beads. Make this one used for DIY. Continue. Red solid, cool red solid, bubble. Oh, clear pink, 8 mm. Good one, great one. Black and a blue line. How much for them? Please go to check our first video dear. First video to show you how to place order. Oh, just order. Thank you, my dear Marcy. Waiting for return. Waiting for return. Let's see our opening for now. Congratulations. One more bag. Shiny glitter gray. Mix. Take one. Whoa, black one. Oh, okay, fix. Whoa, this the blue very match with black, my dear. Blue very match with the right. Green color. Take one before packing. Okay. Look at this one, water cracker blue. So nice, beautiful color.